So next up, guys, got an extremely nice MQ WhisperWeld generator. So it's a 400 amp DC welder and a 14 kW generator. Really nice, clean unit, guys. Got like 1,650 hours on her. Kubota diesel motor, good jack, 2-inch ball, good rubber. Go ahead, I'll fire her up here. I'll let you guys get a little demo for her. There's the hours. I don't know if you can read them, but it's 1651.9. Fire's right up there, guys. Nice sounding unit. Go ahead, open this door here. Market for a generator welder, guys, a little towable one. This is an extremely nice one, good shape, low hours, good Kubota diesel motor. So good luck, guys, at auction time at Old 20 Auction.